Here's how to use a Roblox support ticket. Now, if you're on Roblox and you have an issue, maybe you forgot your password or your PIN, or there's an issue with appealing an account suspension or anything like that, I'm going to walk you through the entire process of that support ticket. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, let's open up the Roblox app here. You can do this on the app or roblox.com if you're on a computer. Now, on here, we're going to tap on More at the very bottom, right? And now all I need to do is scroll down and you'll be able to see Help and Safety. Let's tap on that. And the first thing that you can do is if there's any kind of violation for basically not making or meeting the quality guidelines or community guidelines, or if you have an account suspension, you can tap on Violation and Appeals and it'll show up here. But you can also tap on Support here. And it automatically says contact us. Basically, you can enter in your username, your first name. It's really important to put your email address in here so they know how to contact you. They will email you. And then you can tap on the issue details. So let's say I'm on my iPhone, the type of help, and on here I can say my account was hacked or I can't log in. There's a bug. I need to basically get help with a gift card or anything like that, purchasing things with Robux. Let's say on here my account was hacked or I can't log in. I can then go to here and say, well, I forgot my password. And now is where you'll describe the entire issue. So you can say like forgot password. I can show you it's my account and basically explain the entire situation there and hit continue. Now, this is one option that you have, but a different place that you can access a ticket or support ticket. Let's go back out of here and just go to the Help Center. So again, on the app, or if you're on the website version, all you need to do is scroll down and at the very bottom, there are common things like I forgot my password, or I want to keep my account safe, or unauthorized charges, how to redeem or spend a gift card. Now, let's say, again, I forgot my password. It'll walk you through the entire process of how to do this, but you can go to the bottom and you'll be able to see Contact Customer Support. I can tap on that button and it will open up a web-based version here. So you can see now I am in roblox.com and it looks very similar. It's going to enter my username, email address, and now under issue details, it'll do the exact same thing. I can choose iPhone here, and then I can choose age-based settings or parental control issues, DMCA, gift cards, how to, any safety concerns, technical issues. I have a lot of different options in terms of how I want to reach out to them and how you want to categorize it with whatever support ticket you need. And then they should get back to you through an email within usually a few days. They'll send you an email and they'll walk you through the steps to get that fixed or your issue resolved. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.